Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Enable Bluetooth and location on your Pixel phone and keep Wi-Fi on if available. Put the Pixel Watch on its charger so it stays powered. Make sure battery is above 20%. Open the Pixel Watch app on your phone and watch the watch screen for a pairing animation. Once you see a pairing code, tap Setup in the phone app immediately. This starts the secure handshake and avoids timeouts. You continue by signing into your Google account on the phone app and ensuring the watch is matched to that same account. This syncs apps and settings. Grant the required permissions when prompted: notifications, location, contacts, and phone access, because these let notifications and calls flow to the watch. Once paired, allow the watch to download and install any firmware updates. Do not interrupt the process. This step configures finish by customizing watch faces, notification settings, and tiles, then test with a call and a message so you confirm audio and alerts work. If pairing fails, reboot both devices, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and clear the phone's Bluetooth cache, then retry the pairing sequence. Make sure both devices are near each other and charged. Only perform a factory reset on the watch as a last resort, because that wipes data, then repeat the setup from the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.